to meet your favorite TV star, Rob?
I can't wait! Nick Nature, here, in real life, to do a show?
I know. He'll be setting up at Cedar Valley Campsite as soon as he gets here.
I'd better get there now if I want a good seat. What am I waiting for? Helmet mode! I'm Ranger, ready to get outside! Woo-hoo! Yeah! Come on, Stomper! Chipper! Come in, Chipper!
Hello, Ranger. Rob?
Stomper!
Hey, hey, hey! Where are we going today?
To the forest!
There's nowhere on earth you won't go. It's the Nick Nature Show. No one's here yet, Rob.
Nope, we're the first. Sam, what are you doing?
Hi, Rob. I'm seeing what it's like to be a submarine. Going back underwater now. Bye.
Let's get our seats. Yes! Hey, down in front! Huh? Where'd all that garbage come from?
You don't think there's a garbage growler on the loose, do you?
A garbage growler?
A garbage growler! Where?
I don't see anything, Stomper.
Phew, neither do I. You do not want a garbage growler around. They're terrible creatures that like to litter parks.
Really?
Yep. Of course, some Yetis say it's just a silly story.
Yeah, but what if they're real? We can't have a garbage growler in the park messing everything up for when Nick Nature comes to do his show.
Yeah!
I know. We gotta catch it.
We do?
So what does a garbage growler look like?
Well, they're,
You don't know anything about garbage growlers, do you?
I know they like spreading garbage.
Great. Then I bet they can't resist a nice big pile of garbage. Now we just need something to catch it with.
Got it!
Huh?
What? It's my homemade growler grabber.
I want to see.
Let me look.
No, me.
See?
Gotcha.
Attention, everyone. Nick Nature has just arrived. If you want to see him before the show, head over to the main gate.
Stomper! We gotta catch the garbage growler before Nick Nature gets here.
Oh, right. Think the trap's working?
Stomper, don't!
Yep, it's working.
Look! More garbage. Maybe the garbage growler went that way. Come on, we'll have to set up another trap.
Rob? I kind of hope the garbage growler is just a silly story. I don't know if I really want to meet one.
Attention, everyone. Nick Nature is coming down Jungle Trail on his way to the show. If you want an autograph, now's your chance.
No, Nick Nature is someone I do want to meet.
Stomper, we need to stay here and catch the garbage growler. Sam! come from? Oh, no! There's a garbage mess over there now? Come on!
There you go.
Rob! It's Nick Nature!
Really? Let me see. You're right. Oh, no! That monkey took Nick's camera. He's gonna need that for his TV show. Chipper, action mode.
Ready for action, Ranger Rob.
Stomper, you keep an eye out for the garbage growler. I've got a monkey to catch.
Got it!
I know something monkeys like better than TV cameras. Bananas. I have just the thing. Ranger Kit, Ranger Vibe. Gotcha.
That was an amazing save, Ranger Rob.
Thanks, Nick Nature. I'm your biggest fan. Welcome to Big Sky Park. Want to hear a cheer?
Great.
When I say Big Sky, you say Park. Big Sky.
Park.
Big Sky.
Park. Hey, Rob, how would you like to be on my show?
Me? On the Nick Nature Show? Okay!
Great. Meet you at the Cedar Valley campsite.
Yes! Nothing like a day in Big Sky Park. Chipper? Come in, Chipper. Wait till I tell Stomper I'm gonna be on the Nick Nature Show. Woohoo! Stomper, what's the matter?
Garbage growler!
Hop in, Stomper. We gotta catch him. Over there!
Don't let it get away, Rob!
Got it! We got it! We got it! Oh, you again. You sneaky monkey.
That's the garbage growler? A monkey? Well, it looks like garbage growlers are just a silly old Yeti story.
I don't know, Stomper. I'd say Big Sky Park doesn't just have one garbage growler. It has two.
What? 2 garbage growlers?
Yep, me and you. We sure made a mess down there.
Attention, everyone. Nick Nature is almost at Cedar Valley campsite for his show.
Oh no! We've got some cleaning up to do, and fast. Done. There's just one thing I can't figure out. Where did all that garbage come from? Hey!
Why do people keep putting garbage in me?
Sam! I thought you were a garbage can.
Oh, I guess everybody else did too.
So that's where all the garbage came from.
Hi, Rob. Nick tells us there was some trouble with a monkey.
Yep, but I took care of it.
Good job, Rob. I'll say, can't wait to have you on my show, Ranger Rob.
You're gonna be on TV with Nick Nature? You're so lucky.
Hey, Sam and Stomper, do you want to be on the Nick Nature Show with me?
Thought you never asked.
Okay, Chipper, you can be in it too.
It's